Rambo 2, Rambo 3. I will decide who will become president of the Republic of Ghana. Even in the NDC, I will decide who will lead the NDC. Yes. You can say I'm bragging, but I will decide. It's noise. I decide who becomes NDC flag bearer.
I'm not to say it's a guy because what the be determine who leads the NDC in 2028.
Then guy,
yeah, just so kobo mukase mama.
Then guy no
focus on my mula.
And the confusion I have so with the National Democratic Congress political party NDC. NDC communicator Anthony Nokpenu wabe clash with Kevin Taylor. Efa enra echino video Kevin Taylor be ya o tire mo say oh no Kevin Taylor on be decide nipa only NDC party nim or no be to see the next flag bearer for the National Democratic Congress political party. How many of us here? Kevin Taylor. Nii Armarh Amarteifio NDC omo abe clash with Kevin Taylor bo ma dwen e de akire. Mema nchire mu no akire wa dwen e de amame. E wo comment section. Aha PENYAH Block Media. Metro say ni dim. Obe like video no down my subscribe button, somebody click notification icon no latest update, somebody tell why you that mama e will comment section. Oba so na che for enya bia. You know, the MP before no nyame adom o ma wie o mu presidential race, you know, because race be the duru na hwehwe ni ntwa ase ni ntokwa na de nyina ebe mu. Enti aduru NDC so. Na NDC aduru so na so o ma be o ma yo mu zara so mu no mu ya gentle people say ntokwa bia ni o mu ntem na emesele. Aso mu try say o mu horo mu ntwa go fi wa bontene o mu twa so be acte you know, gentlemanness. We are with gentility near that. There's some person who go money was them people, a good money was done. But oh, they are Subai, it is insane. Only to fancy. And just saying, get here. Allegedly, oh, yeah, thank you, Toby. Now, thank you, Tona, media, me, and your politics, and the campaign away. This is what thank you, to. Oh, yeah, the campaign, and the presidential campaign, and all come bravo. All come bravo, or yeah, bravo, what I say, all campaign marketing, or the whole treasure so that. Say obeda ballot paper ne so a obi ehunu Ghana ha oya smart to say nigga oya smart or marketing ho e do no nko thank you to constituent by constituency am ko bia la ko to bomb e ma na nsem mu okopiem Tamale South ne ho no e na go kan sem bia e fa issue bia happen ye 2023 ni mu September ye gina so eyi Muntaka Mohammed and Honorable Haruna Idrisu ye yi mu free the front line of NDC caucus in parliament because that time no Honorable Haruna Idrisu and ye minority leader in parliament ana Muntaka a minority chief whip it issue be happen ya ye gina so e yo mu nyina free on and you know the issue that happened it wasn't any issue be out Kevin Taylor raising some baseless accusations.
Yeah, baby, I tell you, Muntaka, as I speak, he's in America with the NPP. He came to America with the NPP. Muntaka Mubarak. Oni Akufo-Addo mo ba America. Oni omo na Air Hotel Muntaka. He's in America now. On the NPP for no New Mexico to go meet Muntaka. Next week I will show you his properties since obey minority whip or parliament. I will show you Muntaka, the money he is making. How much is he making? I will show you who Muntaka is. This guy is. Menoka say Muntaka is in America here. He's here with the NPP. He came with Akufo-Addo. And you are sitting there, NPP, and this is Tibor. You think these people think about you? These people hate John Mahama. They are doing everything possible to make sure John Mahama doesn't come. Then they will get the opportunity to come and fool themselves. Change them. Criminals. What you say, Jimmy Ohun? You have not delivered. So, don't you have intelligent people to take over this? Akron 4. Every move you people will make, every move your flag bearer will make. Muntaka and Haruna, they told somebody I know that they are so pissed with Mahama because he chose Professor Nana Opoku-Agyeman. They want a Muslim president. Yes, that is the agenda. That is the agenda. They said they were so mad for Mahama to choose a lady. Who the hell are you people? Riffraffs like you. Who made you who you are? Somebody I know personally, they don't know I know, told me. They openly told the person, how can Mahama go and choose Professor Nana? Who the hell, Muntaka, when did you come to politics? And now Corona now born as Wasi and Kobe Winnie Power. And these are the things people are following. Change them. Akufo-Addo's government will come, it will collapse. If they are man and they think say they are men, they have done the job, they should honorably say we don't want to lead again. You will see they can't say it. They are making money, they hate their own northern brother. Criminals. You are the people who make Ghanaians say Muslims, we are our own haters. You know? It is people like you people. If they say they are not getting anything from this job they are doing, they are not getting anything from being minority what, they want to honorably step back. They can't do it because they know what they are doing. They are sabotaging John Mahama. They have a specific reason and they know what they are doing. Muntaka, Haruna, and then Babin. It is a three Muslim trinity. They need a Muslim president. It is better for them to. Haruna Idrisu is the most childish politician I've seen. And he should never think of trying to find or vie for any position in the NDC again. I will campaign against him vehemently to make sure he loses every single decision of making agency or position. Class prefect crowd MPP NDC or a childish Haruna Idrisu, very very childish. He thinks Ghana MPP NDC and India. Haruna Idrisu didn't say NDC and never padia. Or didn't say or you're entitled to NDC. No, it does not belong to anybody. People come, people serve, people move. The other party in the he's the most childish politician. Bekai time omo changes way by and maybe respectfully spoke to him. I thought he was an intelligent politician. Release a statement and explain to your people, this is not a competition. This is not anything against me. It's a party where people fill positions and leave the positions. Still, we are not moving into the kumuso kube. Or just say, ya better share the truth. De biano, ya better share the truth. Haruna Idrisu. Now I'm better to be a party. Who Haruna Idrisu? But I don't be the party. Who are you, my friend? Shut up and go sit somewhere. Kwawe, answer your friend. Muntaka Mubarak. Sir, guy, we also another criminal in politics. Now, NDC branch executive sponsor candidate against Muntaka in Asawase. The executives are more Asawase. No? They have decided to contribute money for somebody to contest Muntaka, and this is what I love. Mekacha Muntaka Oyeji. Asawase is in and out NDC. And they appreciate NDC because they know what NDC can do. And every single person Asawase biya sebio na adwene ye adwuma no ohu se Muntaka we or your selfish ingrates. He always uses the vulnerable ewa Asawase. Na adwene so dagomba ni nti obi onye dagomba ni bi ejimi. During their elections to elect the Asawase chairman, making people feel somewhere more. All because Asawase people have given him some opportunity to go to parliament. Or to parliament na all your business. Akwawe Kotna Angel FM. He is always licking the butt of Oseche Mensa Bonsu. Ene Angel FM for ne Sebio MPP phobia we usually say kramine. He went to sit there insulting me. He does not know me. Oh free 2020. Time and come to now. Oh yeah, illegality. Echo all oppose. You called me to speak to me. As I speak to you now, Akwawe say, "Oni Dambia America, oni ne irene ne ma ewo yonkes, ne mako school America. Wasisa ne mari nyina bego America. Wato dan wo yonkes. Kwasia we onka no kure. Osoro ne mama fina before. And I hate people who always are using the word the name of Allah to deceive other people. We're a typical example of a criminal, of a religious criminal, Muntaka.
Or making useless accusations against these two honorable members of the NDC. And also, and I said, get here, and I hope poor because na Kevin Taylor about threat. The saying get here through Kevin Taylor. When you need to me so I'm young Pam as national chairman, I Kevin Taylor be dinner time. As I didn't know to Honomo, now we air costume. The obedi or Jiran to me so as national chairman 2 years ago, I say I fought John Mahama to remove or to change Honorable Haruna Idrisu and Muntaka Mohammed from the front line of the NDC caucus in Parliament. That's it. I don't know the 2023. Nothing happened. Muntaka and Haruna Idrisu, they never did any bad thing. But Kevin Taylor, and they started accusations against them, the hatred for them, and it leading to that. Now, you know what's in a year camp. I'll go PM to my south, and I'll go can be and a year. And Pennyform and yo mahi, Muntaka Mohammed, and Haruna Idrisu, yo mahi to that time. No, Nahana son ever Bolibam boy or no Mahama, a shortcutting for STEM school construction. It's a China so says saying sitting a take a cat them. Don't can be to that one more. Oh, or to be the maneno. Emma Muntaka Mohammed as well come as one constituency. A issue press statement always can be today. And saying get ya. It's not by actual time. You might mention the other day. Out of nowhere, Anna Kevin Taylor. And this statement a buyer. The last sentence is because hey, Masa Munyedi. Men are measuring nipa and this is for only money 2028. Kevin Taylor back and
I will decide who will become president of the Republic of Ghana. Even in the NDC, I will decide who will lead the NDC. Because Onyankopon never found me so actually who has to lead the NDC. Yes, you can say I'm bragging, but Onyame ewa mafa and what God has given me, I will decide. It's noise. I decide who becomes NDC flag bearer. Because in him, no kre any the bechire nipa no ama nipa na je de patum. We will have to show the people the facts. And without the facts, ultimately convince you be say asimesi when lead the NDC. But when I present the facts, when I bring the documentations, when I project the facts, the people will nod and say, this is what we want. That is my specialty. Mejumanie. Obiane the specialty. Obiane the way good at. This is what I do, my full-time job. This is what myself and my team, we are dedicated to do. So you cannot change it. Before you people can get to John Mahama and get to the next person who will lead the NDC, you have to break me. And none of you can break me. Nobody. I'm still waiting for a competitor. Not an emotional competitor. Not where the empanel may say, I want a competitor who is going to bring documentations to compete me. And no America. See a four, what is that a form? Me the power. Me protect your buying. Me almost 4 hours. Open to me, kwasia o candidate. No, onam Ghana or your truth for ultimate cleaning. Over 30 minutes, 1 hour, no kwada. Kwasia, o is Ghana for you have no conscience. We are lazy.
On the father of NDC. Children say, oh no, and about children nipa only NDC party in them. And from 2028 into their course now, the air noise will be anchored to Nasi. And already, they say 2023 into and me only clear say Kevin Taylor there, or go against Muntaka Mohammed. And how you do because for sure. How na our presidential ambitions. Now how Kevin Taylor is kasaya. And then a video I find itself on the internet. Anna, some of the NDC members who don't see the Bibasa. Kevin Taylor person what say. Oh ya wanya. Nii Armarh Amarteifio or make you post na I mesere. O make you post no was delete minimum so Kevin Taylor but post no me o me ha. So ya na me go to screenshot to one side cause me say they post you don't obey delete because me say Amarteifio o so Kevin Taylor obey delete me who ya dem get you screenshot. And that is not saying about of actually. Dear comrade, for Kevin Taylor to boldly beat his chest and claim he determines who leads the NDC and who eventually becomes president is the height of disrespect to the great NDC party and its loyal members. Example. Sir Kevin Taylor party me kasat and say born the bosso. Sir men are met nipa only NDC party any nipa mega na man penina. Masa highest disrespect. Disrespect in the highest order, the highest degree. What makes this even more disturbing is his own assertion that he is a card-bearing member of the NPP. Kevin Taylor better in TV or a card-bearing member of NPP. Only in this card. We're entering for NPP card-bearing member to come and say this. I say, oh, what's this? I NDC, you know, Sabi, independent one. Nii Armarh Amarteifio NDC. How can someone who openly identifies with another political party arrogate to himself such authority over the internal affairs and future leadership of the NDC? Esimu say no one say na me na obi or no. What to nimu to say o belong to the other party. Otimbenya say otimbenya ano e wo ye party mu eni me koso ye party mu otimbenya ano esa kra ka say on e be tiri nipa ye say the future of the party on determine how nipo be the party and on be determine how. The NDC is a proud political tradition built on the sacrifices, commitment, and democratic will of its members, not the playground for political opportunists or external influences seeking to dictate its direction. Or just NDC party na catch them a party ya de enwinta so ne ade adwumadere ni bi ensi ye ana achechire na eni ho se eye baabi e di agoro aye se obi a no political opportunist obi a no open ni munyam hu no e wo politics mu enye be won betuma be di na good fon aba na say okay can't be check Kevin Taylor or the katashi na kaka bensa betuma be abeye concept ewo mu okay can't be check Kevin Taylor. At what point do we draw the line? This guy has insulted Sam George, Pablo, judges, speaker, Kofi Adams, etc. At what point does the party take a bold and decisive stand against this growing culture of disrespect and political nonsense. Ojoza, akwawe, open this party no with this and Georgia 10 pen because 2022 ni one is Georgia banya banta. With this and Georgia 10 pen, Power with dinner term, with the judges at term, speak of farm because that 2021 na Kentera AD how do this attempt no. O Trebi bo Muntaka, it's a Trebi bo the then speak of farm right about Bagman or dinner term. It's like that. Any part wedding go from dinner term no. Simusen and I say and this year's son is so a party as ya once year who is be that say silence in moments like this only embodies such conduct as or can you know man can share na make catch them and pray woman no say mo ye koma so be can say na mo ye koma I say mo mu suro ni bi ase mo man nya tumi bi over mo man nya tumi bi mo mama home so the integrity, dignity and independence of the NDC must be protected at all costs. When you post here, Nii Armarh Amarteifio on Facebook. In fact, what you was there dirty. What did you post to me? Nii Armarh nya beba, Nii Armarh o kasakwa. Amarteifio, o nya beba ba ku say. O nya beba ba ku say. O zro Kevin Taylor intro. We delete. Father mo post you on hano. Na me too far media na say hu say Anthony Nokwenu, or NDC communication officer back or get a courage in him. Or no so no. I grant interview and now pay on Bedroom, Adum TV, Nanya or Hosono, or Born Adrian, editor Kevin Taylor.
It's not organizer. We are worried about this early bird of.
I'm not worried.
Who leads the party into 2020?
I'm not worried. I'm not worried. Bitina, several people have approached me to know my next political move.
Okay.
One thing I tell people is that manyansa ndi we ni more politics mo. Memma wo ni swadi ndi we ni di unkai.
Okay.
Let wisdom lead you in your political ambitions. Don't let your ambition lead you.
Okay.
Are you getting me? Yeah. In the party no fariba and the foundation no say any fapim any ahondia. So who di kind say person who di party ni ma then so no person original.
Okay.
Foundation ben so na wa original.
Okay. If the foundation is weaker.
Are you getting me? You need a platform support you that to herald you. Timmy, minye who the grassroots mobilization, the FAPIM. Why would I be talking about what I want to be in the next?
But the ECOS no end distracting government, you know.
It can't.
Because you have key members of government officials.
It can only distract
government. The Minister of Finance, the Minister of Education, the National Chairman, SO, Edding,
Agric
Up your party for you.
Now, do you take people's concern as the decision of the party? People, in this way, they say me call this way. I mean 20 Ghana, I mean 100 Ghana.
Okay.
The abefu.
Tibi mu ye no me bedidi.
Abefu tinta ayefu. Obi afa. No a design flyer. No a postie. Then there this politicking mafias.
Okay.
Around certain individuals.
Okay.
Almost thriving on that. Into your muhua, hey, Charlie, yes, you do quite be you.
Okay.
You know?
No, so a piano to system in post.
I get
abo pull. Yeah, pull.
I get it. And so who na yedi udin yes I know what you moon door.
Okay.
Na unyansa ofema.
Ube fall.
Who fall for it that.
But I'm not to say it's a guy because what the be determined. Who leads the NDC in 2028?
Then guy.
Yeah. Just so kobo muka se mama.
Then guy no
focus on my mula.
No.
No, see wana uboni.
And I'm to say as Kevin Taylor Christ was saying he's going to determine who will lead the NDC in 2020. Also the NDC back power.
Also on the NDC back power.
Also the NDC back power.
Where Juice or Krobo talk.
Only the other guy no.
Obi o Juice on pass no kasa but tenacity abon
Kevin Taylor fan is just
akasa
Kevin Taylor fan is just pass.
You see nyame obo
o so na be determine who leads the party
yempo onfa ni nsensi ne koko nti uye obi anyame abo amoja sane omu enyame chew frama na o so na do se si koko ye ju so krobo uti esifem uti esifem
adwuma so ye ma mo nyina echi na o de ne boko sei
so uye nipa kwa be nyame abo na nyame na chew frama ona chew moja na o so si koko se me here Ujun so paso out TSFM. And I will not dwell in those kind of cheap
political
maggots. They don't deserve attention.
Beef na start when this party no dey nyame nko na ni ji nyame chira wadwe ma me e wo comment section I PENYAH Block Media.